All right, fourth grade. What we have here is we're going to start doing the stuffing for our Valentine's Day project. So we're going to learn about analogous colors. Analogous colors are colors that are closely related to each other. Normally it's a primary color like red, and a secondary color red makes like orange, and then you get a red-orange, which is a combination of the two. And what we're going to do is we're going to make kind of like a stained glass window kind of a stuffing with this wax paper. And we're going to have an analogous color pattern. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your tissue paper and you're just going to start ripping small pieces of paper, roughly about that size, okay? It should be about the size, of the palm of your hand, and you're going to strip some of those pieces of paper, strips, whatnot. Once you have some paper ripped up, then we're going to go to the gluing, because we're going to glue this all together so we can get our analogous color pattern. Again, analogous colors, a primary, a secondary, and the tertiary color that's between them. The secondary that we have is orange, the primary is red, and the tertiary we'll get is a red-orange. So we're going to have a brush, and we're not going to use the brush for painting, we're going to use the brush to apply the glue. We're going to glue the whole area here with the tissue paper, and we're going to layer the tissue paper on top of each other. Just like painters do for paintings, they layer paint, we're going to layer our tissue paper and our color. So we're going to start about the center, and you're going to put some glue down on the tissue paper. Notice I have a decent amount of glue, and then we're just going to start brushing. Okay? You don't want it to fold like I got there. Okay? And you're going to brush. You're going to notice the glue is going to take some of the color. Don't worry about that. And we're going to have it so it's nice and flat on there. Then you can see I'm placing right over top of it the orange. And we're going to do the same thing. We can grab some of the glue that we grabbed before just by picking up with the brush and then brushing it down so that we're going to get that to layer down. So we want a thin coat. So I can take another piece like this. Again, I'm going to grab some glue from here and I'm just going to layer over top. And since we're going to be layering our color over top of each other, it is going to get that red-orange that we're going to want for our analogous color pattern. And here I'm going to put another piece. And this is going to go in our heart that we're going to make after we get this done. So you can see I'm just brushing, and I got a real thin layer of glue. Notice I don't have a bunch of glue on my paper as much anymore as I did when I first started, because I'm using the same glue that I've been using before. And I'm just going to go ahead and put an orange right here. On top. And I might need, because I'm running out of glue, I might need some more glue. So I'm going to put another red over top of here. And I'm going to squirt a little bit more glue down. And there we go. And I'm going to keep building all the way out. Remember, you're going to want it like a Snickers bar, like I keep telling you. You're going to want to make sure that you fill the entire space with the tissue paper. And I'm going to put some down here. I'm going to grab some of this glue. Now, when we get done and we're going to wash our brushes out, we got glue on our brushes, and we want to make sure that we wash our brushes out really good. So we're going to put a little bit of soap in our hands. And I'll probably get one person to wash, but you all need to know. You're going to put some soap in your hands. You're going to put some soap right in the palm of your hands like this. And then you're going to take your brush, you're going to put it in that soap, and you're going to move it back and forth. And you're going to sing to yourself, basically, happy birthday once. Once you're done singing happy birthday, then you're going to rinse out the brush and put it back in its container with the bristles up. So again, a little bit of dish soap in your hand. You're going to put the brush in there, and you're going to move it back and forth, and you're going to sing happy birthday to you once. Once you're done with that, you're going to rinse it out and put it back in the container, bristles up. So again, This is going to go inside. Light should show through this eventually and be like a stained glass window kind of a thing. And it's going to go on our Valentine's Day. We're going to make it into a heart for Valentine's Day, which Valentine's Day originally started with the Roman army. And it was, Valentine was a shorter term for the name of Valentino, which was a very popular name, especially from Italy. And Valentino, be like saying you got a person named Michael, and be like saying Mikey, yo Mikey, what's up? Valentino was like that kind of a designation, that kind of a name. It was short. Valentine was short for Valentino. So they were saying, when they wrote, these Roman soldiers wrote these love letters, they wrote your Valentine or your Valentino as a term of endearment, like I am your Mikey, I am your, what, place your name here. So yeah, if there's any questions, feel free to ask, and that should end the video for now. Thank you.